So students, this is your third chapter, human body. In this chapters, we are going to learn different processes of our body like digestive system, process of digestion, absorption of digested food, assimilation of digested food, respiratory system, mechanism of respiration, respiratory diseases, then circulatory system, circulation of blood, heartbeat, keeping the heart healthy. So these are the topics which we are going to study in this chapter. Let's start with the first topic, digestive system. In your lower classes also you have studied about the digestive system of our body. But in this class we are going to study it in some detail. The digestive system in human being consists of two parts. It consists of two parts. The first one is alimentary canal and then the second one is digestive glands. Now let's see what is alimentary canal. See students, here in the picture, your digestion starts from the mouth itself. When you take the food from your mouth, from here only the digestion gets started. So this is the part of your alimentary canal only. Now here you can see this tube-like structure is going on. From your mouth, this tube-like structure is going on. This is the food canal, or you can say food pipe, and it is also called as esophagus. Esophagus. Okay. From here your food travels into the stomach. This is your stomach. Okay. This is your stomach. Then some part of the food is digested in stomach. Then it moves to the small intestine. This coiled structure, tube-like structure you can see, this is a small intestine. Then some part of the food is digested over here and then it moves to the large intestine. This tube-like structure, this is the large intestine. Here also the food gets digested, and after that finally it reaches to this part. This is known as rectum. Okay. So this whole system, this from the mouth to esophagus, then to stomach, then to small intestine and large intestine, and then to rectum. This is a digestive system, and this is also called as the alimentary canal. The whole digestive system is known as the alimentary canal. It is also called digestive tract. Okay. Alimentary canal is also known as the food canal or the digestive tract. It is a long membrane lined tube of varying thickness. Long होती है, membrane lined means some kind of membrane, a thin sheet is there inside this tube. It runs from the mouth to the anus and consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Okay. Now next part of the digestive system is the digestive glands. What are the digestive glands? See students, to digest our food, we need some kind of chemicals to digest the food. These chemicals are secreted by different parts of the body. These parts which secrete means निकलना, कि कहीं से किसी चीज़ का निकलना, उसे हम बोलते हैं secretion. Okay. So the parts of the body from where these chemicals are secreted are called glands. These include salivary glands. अब salivary glands कहाँ होते हैं? यहाँ माउथ में. कुछ ऐसे ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जिनमें से कुछ केमिकल्स निकलता है जो फूड को च्यू करने में हेल्प करता है. ओके. फिर उसके बाद आता है लिवर एंड पैनक्रियास. Here we are having the liver. From this liver also some chemicals are released into stomach and intestine which help in the digestion of food. So like this the whole digestive system takes place in our body.